Hey there everyone, this is Kevin Hansen, and I'm going to take a few minutes just to kind of talk to you about this lawn we're taking care of here. Now this front yard is Bermuda, and this was still pretty dormant. This is probably May 10th or so it's been a couple weeks ago now, but we're getting it cleaned up. And now the front yard in the very beginning of the spring doesn't grow very fast, but the backyard is kind of a mix between some fescues and weeds, and it grows pretty quick, especially when we get some moisture. And this spring's been pretty decent with the amount of moisture. Now James is coming in and he's edging the lawn. We use a metal blade edger now on all of our lawns. I like using a string trimmer, but I've taught James the metal blade edger, and that's what I'd like him to use. And moving forward in our business, all of our lawns are going to be metal blade edge from now on. Now occasionally when I pick up the Weedeater, I do I do use that to edge, and it's just because I'm so good at it and I've been doing it for a long time. But I would like to get my employees to the point where they're using this. I think it's just a much more uniform and consistent result, and easier to train employees. So there is a large debate on string trimmers versus metal blade edgers, and in my opinion, and I'll make a video just on this, but in my opinion it just comes down to the ease of training and how large your company is, and different factors like that. If you're a solo operator, or maybe you got one employee and you're proficient at using a string trimmer, that's great. I think that the metal blade edger mostly came around for the need of a machine that offers a consistent delivery of quality and is very easy to train employees, so they're great for commercial guys. Also, it is much easier to trim long distances with a metal blade edger than it is with a Weedeater. But with a string trimmer or Weedeater, you can trim small little lots like this, no problem. It doesn't fatigue you, and you can go from edging to weed eating very fluidly. So, versus having to edge and then change piece of equipment and that. So, anyways, in this lawn, I came in at an angle there, and just kind of leave some nice little dormant stripes. It's about the only time Bermuda really stripes. And I'm coming in, and as you can see, I'm cutting off a decent amount in the backyard, and I actually have to give it a double cut. So we're doing a perimeter pass, going around. Oop, stop. Gotta pick up the stick, get it out of the way. I pick up sticks and stuff like that after we blow off the turf, or James will pick it up while he's weed eating. So, it's one of those things, we just kind of help each other out, and one of us gets it. But we always have an eye on those kind of things. When you're working with somebody, it should be a team member, and you're both in to get the job done together. You are a team. So now I'm mowing the lawn. We're going to give it a double cut. This is much easier with this mower, with the 61 inches versus the 36 inch. I'm a big fan of using a 36 inch walk behind for my residentials, but I'm an even bigger fan now of that 61. It has been an awesome purchase for my business. I'm very happy with it. One of the biggest reasons why it's been great for me is I've actually got some kind of injury on my feet, and I believe it's from the Velke plate that I've been riding on for the last several years, and it's either a plantar fasciitis or bone spurs in my feet. But I'm getting to where I'm trying to rehabilitate myself, and this mower's kind of been key to helping that. It's just much more comfortable. So now, having said that, it also lays an awesome cut and does a great job with tall grass. It's just all around, it's an awesome mower. I don't use the full 61 inches on the mower. I end up using probably 48 inches, and I overlap quite a bit. Alright, so James is coming around the deck, and he's finishing the weed eating. It doesn't look like it in the frames, but there's actually quite a bit of weed eating on this property, and he's doing a great job. We just hit 35 lawns in one day the other day, so he's really getting fast, but he's also got the quality there as well. So the video is coming to an end. If you've made it this far, comment down below team player, and that way I know you've made it this far. I appreciate it, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.